Here is also two terms, so sin x and cos x. So for every problem, whichever have sin x, cos x, up to these steps are same. If there is a sin x, cos x, all these are same steps. So now integral 1 by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x dx is equal integral 1 by 4 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 3 into 2t by 1 plus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Here 1 plus t square is LCM in denominator. So after taking LCM, here 1 plus t square, here 1 plus t square, 2 are cancelled. 1 by 4 into 1 minus t square plus 3 into 2t by 1 plus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square. Here 2 constant, 2 we can write out of the integral is equal 2 into integration 1 by 4 into 1 4 minus 4t square plus 3 2s are 6t into dt. So now here again 2 is common in denominator. 2 into integral 1 by 2 into 2 minus 2t square plus 3t into dt. 2 cancel. Integration 1 by 2 minus 2t square plus 3t dt. See here it is quadratic expression. It is quadratic expression. Shall we write it into linear factors? See, minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Product is minus 4, middle term is 3. Product is minus 4, middle term is 3. Is it possible? Try to write. See here 2 minus 2t square plus 3t is quadratic expression. Shall we write it into linear factors? Yes, it is possible. 2 minus 2t square plus 3t is equal minus 2t square plus 3t plus 2. So it is now minus common 2t square minus 3t minus 2. Whenever we take quadratic expression, first of all we should write t square coefficient is plus. So for that I am doing plus. So minus of 2t square. What about product is minus 4. Product is minus 4. Middle term is minus 3. Product is minus 4. Middle term is minus 3. Minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4t plus t. Minus 4t plus t is minus 3t. Minus 4 into 1. Product is minus 4. Product is minus 4. Middle term is minus 3. It's satisfied. Minus 2. Minus of here first 2 terms, next 2 terms. 2t into t minus 2. Here plus is plus 1 into t minus 2 is equal minus of first t minus 2 into 2t plus 1. Here minus we can write minus by multiplying. T minus 2 becomes 2 minus t, nothing else. 2 minus t into 2t plus 1 or 2t plus 1 into 2 minus t. Here we got linear factors. After getting linear factors, it will be integration 1 by 2 minus 2t square plus 3t is 2t plus 1 into 2 minus t dt. This is what about splitting into factors. So let it be 1 again 1 by 2t plus 1 into 2 minus t is equal a by 2t plus 1 plus b by t 2 minus t. 1 by 2t plus 1 into 2 minus t is equal a into 2 minus t plus b into 2t plus 1 by 2t plus 1 into 2 minus t. These two cancel. 1 is equal a into 2 minus t plus b into 2t plus 1. So here first of all t is equal to 2. Then a term becomes a 0. If you write t is equal to 2, a is 0. 1 is equal b into 2 to the 4. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5b is equal 1. b is equal 1 by 5. Next, t is equal minus 1 by 2. 1 is equal a into 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 to the 4. 4 plus 1. 5 by 2. 5a by 2 is equal 1. So a is equal to 2 into 1, 2 by 5. Now, therefore, 1 by 2t plus 1 into 2 minus t is equals a 2 by 5 by 2t plus 1 plus b plus 1 by 5 by 1 by 5 by t 2 minus t. Now here 1 by 5 is constant, common. 1 by 5 common. 1 by 5 into here remains 2 by 2t plus 1. There is take common minus is minus common minus 1 by t minus 2. Minus తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మళ్ళీ 2 minus t నే వస్తుంది. So next thing. So after that 1 implies integration 1 by 1 implies integration 1 by 5 2 by 2t plus 1 minus 1 by t minus 2 dt is equals 1 by 5 constant integral 2 by 2t plus 1 minus 1 by t minus 2 dt. So what next? Is it as per formula? As per formula. What is that formula? Here I will write formula. Integral 1 by ax plus b dx is equal 1 by a log mod ax plus b plus c. This is formula. Formula 1 by 5 into 2 here constant 2 1 by a means 1 by 2 log mod 2t plus 1 minus log mod t minus 2 plus c. 1 by 5 2 cancel. It is log a minus log b. Again it is formula. Log a minus log b is equal log of a by b. Log a minus log b is log a by b. 1 by 5 into log of mod 2t plus 1 by t minus 2 plus c. What is t? 1 by 5 log of 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 by tan x by 2 minus 2 plus c. Here tan x by 2 equal to t, then dx 2dt by 1 plus t square, sin x is 2t by 1 plus t square, cos x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So next integration 1 by 3 into cos x 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 4 into 2t by 1 plus t square plus 6 into dx is 2 dt by 1 plus t square is equal integral. Here LCM is 1 plus t square. 1 by 1 plus t square is LCM. 3 into 1 minus t square plus 4 into 2t plus 6 into 1 plus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. These two are cancelled. 1 plus t 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel, then remains integration 1 by 3 into 1 3 minus 3t square plus 4 to the 8t plus 6 into 1 6 plus 6t square into dt. Here 2 is constant, so write out of the integration is equal to into integration 1 by minus 3t square plus 6t square 3t square 3t square plus 8t only 8t itself plus 8t. Next 3 plus 6 total 9 plus 9 dt. Here is anything common? No common. Right. Next thing, after this step 3t square plus 8t plus 9, it is quadratic expression. Is it possible to split into factors, linear factors? Shall we write it into linear factors? 9 3s are 27. 27 not possible to write into linear factors. Now in this case we should follow next method. We should go to next method. What is that? See, let it be number 1 3t square plus 8t plus 9. First of all, t square coefficient make it 1. So for that take common 3 t square plus 8t 8 by 3 into t plus 3 after taken common 3 9 9 నుంచి 3 పోతే ఇంకా 3 ఉంటుంది is equal 3 into t square plus 8 by 3 into 2. We can write as 2ab a square plus 2ab a square plus 2ab plus b square. For this format ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లో రాయాలి. a square ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ప్లస్ 2ab. For that here 2 is fixed, next to t is fixed. So for what value of here b, it equals to 8 by 3. 8 by 3 అవ్వాలంటే ఇంకెంత రాయాలి? ఇక్కడ ఒక 2 పోయింది, ఇందులోంచి 2 స్ప్లిట్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే 4 by 3. So b is 4 by 3. For that plus 4 by 3 whole square minus 4 by 3 whole square plus 3 is equals. So what is this formula? A plus b whole square of course is equal 3 into it is t plus 4 by 3 whole square minus 4 by 3 whole square 16 by 9 minus 16 by 9 plus 3 is equal 3 into t plus 4 by 3 whole square minus 16 by 3 16 by 9 plus 3 LCM 9 minus 16 plus 27 plus 11 plus 11 by 9. So 3 into t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus 11, we can't write a square as a square, so root 11. 9 can be written as 3 square, for that 3 whole square. Root 11 whole square is 11, 3 square is 9, root 11 by 3 whole square. Now 1 implies integration. Here 2 constant, of course, 2 into 1 by 3 into t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus root 11 by 3 whole square dt is equal. So what is this formula here? I think 3 is constant here. 2 by 3 integral 3 right outside of the integral. 2 by 3 1 by t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus root 11 by 3 whole square. So next, see here, what about this? This is a formula. What is that formula? 1 by, let it be x, let it be a, x square plus a square. This is formula as x square plus a square. That is, I will write here, integral 1 by x square plus a square dx is equal 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This is formula. Integral 1 by x square plus a square dx is equal 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So here x is t plus 4 by 3, a is root 11 by 3 is equal 2 by 3 into 1 by a. A means root 11 by 3, root 11 by 3 into root 11 by 3. No need, of course, bracket. Root 11 by 3, 1 by a means 1 by root 11 by 3 tan inverse x itself 2 t plus 4 by 3 by a root 11 by 3 plus c. Here 2 by 3 into 1 by root 11 by 3, it's reciprocal. Numerator numerator को बार root 11 by 3 किंतु दिया पाई कहते 3 by root 11 into tan inverse ఇక్కడ LCM చేయండి 4t plus 3t plus 4 by 3 by root 11 by 3 plus c. 3 cancel, here 3 cancel, 2 by root 11 tan inverse 3t plus 4 by root 11 plus c. What is t? 2 by root 11 into tan inverse 3 tan x by 2 plus 4 by root 11 plus c.